Welcome to Dr. Cecily's Kitchen. I am going to show you how to make these delicious mint sandwiches, a popular tea time snack in India and influenced by the British. And this is my mother's recipe. Ingredients: mint, garlic, lemon, chilies, coconut, and coriander. And this is how the grated coconut is available in the Indian stores. Okay, here I am adding equal amounts of mint and coriander or cilantro. Next, the garlic, and then the cumin. And I'm going to just put one chili because I don't want to make it too spicy. And then last, the coconut. Adding a little bit of salt, and then I'm adding a teaspoon of lemon juice. To this, I'm going to add just a little bit of water just so that this will pulverize. In between adding water, I stir it so that everything is mixed nicely. Adding more water because it needs a little bit more to get to the consistency that I want. I'm going to pour it. It looks a little watery, but it's going to settle by the time you start making your sandwiches. Now that the chutney is ready, I'm going to make the tea sandwiches. Remove the crust. This is honey wheat bread. I use the crust. Bake them in the oven to make breadcrumbs. And this is the way I do it. So each one will match the other. Here I am spreading the mayo towards the edge. Now, here I'm taking a little bit of the chutney and spreading only on one side. Okay, so I'm just going to make it easier by just putting it on one slice. And now I'm going to take my knife and spread it across. See, now I match it up with that. Now I'm going to slice these sandwiches into triangles. I think they look pretty. Now I'm going to arrange it. I like to stack them up like this. Okay, there we go.